Some of you may already know that I had a rather inelegant landing with my Mavic Mini, by which of course I mean I crashed it, while filming near Ashbourne over the weekend. I was quite confident the Mini survived its ordeal unscathed, as by a stroke of sheer good fortune the laws of physics picked some long grass to land in rather than the adjacent road. However, it seemed a good move to have a test flight the next day to make sure. I chose the golden hour either side of sunset to take my lockdown exercise alongside the River Trent between Willngton and Repton, and in the process managed to burn through 3 batteries. It's the best bits of those flights that you're about to enjoy, I hope. I think we can call that a successful test flight. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it.